Hi everyone. Today is January 5th, 2016, and I came across these two articles on Yahoo News. The first one is reads, U.S. Chief Justice urges judges, lawyers to cooperate for speedier litigation. And the second one reads, Scalia dismisses concept of religious neutrality in speech. Now, these two articles don't seem like they're saying much, but if you know Bible prophecy and the end game of all this, in Revelation 13, verses 16 to 17, and he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in the right hand or in their foreheads, and that no man might be able to buy or sell, save he that had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. And this mark of the beast is a Sunday law that would be implemented in America. It would be enforced by the government against your will, and you won't have, in order to force you to do so, they'll remove your access to bank accounts if you don't go to church on Sunday. And so how does these articles fit in with this? Well, Chief Justice Roberts spoke about making the legal process faster. He mentions here in the article, it mentions that to manage cases more efficiently and advise lawyers to avoid antagonistic tactics, as he focused his annual year-end report on federal rules intended to speed up litigation. The problem with all this is that to speed up litigation is to reduce the ability for the lawyer to defend their client. Usually time is given for legal teams to draw plans of defense for their attorney in order to get evidence and things of that nature. But if the Supreme Court is now seeking to speed up litigation, it means that they're moving towards a type of government where the rights of due process will be eliminated, and making lawyers useless as a means of defending their clients or attorneys. But another part of all this is that Scalia, about 2 or 3 days later, he dismisses the concept of religious neutrality in speech. He says here, to tell you the truth, there is no place for that in our constitutional tradition. Speaking about religious neutrality. Where did that come from? He said. To be sure, you can't favor one denomination over another, but can't favor religion over non-religion? He also said that there is nothing wrong with the idea of presidents and others invoking God in speeches. So basically, what he's saying here is that he's saying that it's okay for, essentially saying that it's okay for church and state to one day reunite, and for it essentially good in his eyes for the government to consider religion over non-religion. But the thing is, we know from the prophetic word of God that one day one religion will be favored with the state, and the church and state will reunite and to enforce the Sunday law upon humanity. And that church is the Roman Catholic Church. And this mark of the beast, the Sunday law, is their mark, the mark of the Roman Catholic Church and their authority. Let me just